When you build a swing set for your kids, you want it to come out solid. This is solid. Whereas this basic design is among the most popular in the marketplace. Our bracket is solid and wobble-free. You can try tightening the big hex bolts, but this amount of wobble will translate into a lot of wobble on a tall swing set. Here is another bracket in the marketplace. Imagine how this one will wobble. Look at the tape measure here. This bracket only holds 3 inches of your 4x4 wood leg. Ours holds 7 inches. And more steel holding the beam. Theirs, on the top, a 45-degree angle between the legs. Ours, a 60-degree angle between the legs. A swing set made with theirs has to have the legs set in concrete, or the legs will lift up and rock when the kids are swinging. With our 60-degree angle, the legs don't have to be set in concrete, saving you from all that extra work and letting you move the swing set around the yard when you want to. Our bracket clamps onto the beam from both sides. Always a tight and snug fit, no matter the width of the beam. And tighten the lock nuts on both these carriage bolts. With theirs, you can use a 4x6 beam, which is never going to be an exact fit, and it's free to wobble. But with ours, you could use a 6x6, which is a 5.5 by 5.5, or you could use a 4.5-inch wide composite beam made out of 3 2x6s. You can use any width, and it will always be a tight, snug fit. And as always, I hope your swing set comes out awesome. Brackets and free swing set plans available at roomtozoom.com.